We are live. What's going on, guys? What is going on? How you guys doing? How's everybody doing tonight? Good to see everybody here already. Holy smokes. All right, give you guys a couple of minutes to come on into the chat, see what everybody's up to. All right, let's check it out, guys. 1 year. 1 year we've been doing this. Geez, guys, I remember when we started. I started doing videos on my phone and just uploading them to the channel at the time, right? And they were just like 45-minute or half hour, 45-minute videos of like just the whole roundup of the news of the day. And then slowly evolved as some people started to complain that the videos were too long. So then I started cutting them up, trimming them down and stuff, and then we just slowly upgraded, and then we ended up starting to do live streams, and there was only like 3 of us, sometimes like 3 to 5 of us in the live stream and stuff like that. Slowly got higher and stuff. We went through all that stuff, man. We went through all that stuff, all the naysayers, all the fudsters talking bad about JASMY. Oh, what a good time. What a good year it's been, guys. We've definitely come a long way. I was looking at some videos I did in the first month last year, and it's just like, holy smokes. We've come a long way already, guys. We definitely have upgraded in a lot of ways. And really, guys, I wanted to honestly just thank all of you guys because I started doing this for fun. I wanted to build a community and a channel that I would like watching. And it grew into this. I wasn't expecting 100 people to subscribe to the channel, to be honest with you. And I mean, listen, we're not enormous or anything. Like, we don't have hundreds of thousands of subs. But I mean, we got 4,576. That's something, I suppose, right? That's something. That's not terrible. We've grown quite a bit, guys, and it's because of you guys. So I want to thank you guys for coming here every day, twice a day, for the live streams and everything, and watching my videos. You guys have been supporting me. You guys have been joining the Patreon. You guys have been joining the member side. It's been absolutely amazing, guys. You guys are awesome. You guys are why I want to keep doing it. And thank you, guys. Thank you so much for supporting the channel and honestly, and building this community to what it is, guys. Because we were talking the other day about how it's funny because there's no toxic people in this community. None. There never has been the whole year. And that's just phenomenal to me because usually there's always at least a couple of bad apples, right? But there just hasn't been. You guys have all been, amazing, not just to me, to each other. Like, this is a true community. I see it here in the live streams. I see it over in the Discord that we created. Like, you guys all know each other. You know me. We all chat, and it's phenomenal. It truly is. There's no toxic people. And, I want to thank you guys for that. I want to thank you for not being toxic, I suppose, just being you and being good people. I don't know, but it's awesome. I think it's awesome that we did that. It's got to be some sort of statistical anomaly that we haven't had any toxic people in the community. Let's get to some of the comments here. Liquidity, woohoo! Happy 1 year anniversary. Thank you. Crypto Future fam on top, absolutely. Element Rage, happy 1 year, and hey, the channel is over 4.5k subs now. Yeah, we started from the bottom, now we're here, right? Trying to get to 5k. Funky, channel is growing fast. Seems like it was just yesterday we were pushing that 4k. Now you've blown past 4.5. Awesome first year. Yes, thank you. We did it together, guys. We did it together. WF Capital, let's go. JE, what's up? Congrats. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. What else? What do we got here? Just bear with me here, guys. Okay. So yeah, guys, and you know what? If you want to, guys, if you want to continue to support the channel, like I said, join the member side, join the Patreon. It's absolutely amazing. Congrats on 1 year, Rob. Now let's push to 5K subs. Yes, absolutely. Trying my best, man. Trying to push to 5K subs. We're almost at 40. Yeah, we're almost at 4,600. Boomer, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you, man. Rickaroo in the house. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Kevin, what's up, Rob? Crypto fam, Rob crushing 1 year. Let's go. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Be sincere. What's up, man? If you smell what the Rob is cooking, happy first year anniversary, buddy. Thanks, man. Thank you so much, guys. Absolutely amazing. Juicy Jasmy, 100%. I panic sold all my crypto. I don't believe you for a second. Matt, what's up, everyone? How are you today, Rob? I'm good, brother. I'm good, man. Thank you. Thank you so much. How you doing, brother? How you doing, man? Just joking, not selling ever. Yeah. You can't pull the wool over my eyes, brother. Congrats on 1 year, Rob. Many, many more years to come. Cheers. Thank you. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. Congrats, Rob. Thank you. Thank you. Time is money. Another DCA. Stay strong. I'm still waiting for the lockup and PDL to go live. Yes. You and me both, man. You and me both. I really only watch your channel. Oh, well, thank you so much, man. That's actually awesome. You know, I'm similar. I only watch a couple channels, and then I kind of get tired of them, and then the bad channels usually weed themselves out over time, and you stop watching them, right? But I appreciate that I'm still in your watch list. Thank you so much, man. I love having you here as part of the community. Nacho, what's up, man? Rob, sorry I haven't been live. I've been working my ass off to completely. I think I left my ass back at home. Hey, man, as long as you're making that extra cheddar to DCA, brother, that's all that matters, man. Shane, thank you, Rob. I've only been on the channel about a month or two, but it's always great content and good vibes. Thank you, Shane. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for becoming a member. And thank you for always being here, man. Thank you so much, brother. But I finally have 1 million on Helium Mobile and 700K on Swift. I'm just staying at 200K on JASMY. Nice, brother. Nice. What are you going to start to accumulate next? Matt, doing good. Work went well today. Good to hear, man. Good to hear, brother. Just got 15,000 more JASMY a day up to today up to 425K. Nice. That is a sexy bag you got there. That's what she said. That's awesome, man. That is awesome. Congrats on that. Let me just make sure we're live over on X, guys. I didn't even check. Yeah, we are live on X. Perfect. We are good to go. All right. What else do we got? Facts. Congrats, brother. I remember being one of the early dudes when we had 6 subscribers and your channel randomly popped up on me thinking, who's this clown? Yeah, Facts. I know you've been there since day one, brother. You've been there since day one. You used to say, who's this clown? Now when it pops up, you say, oh, geez, this clown again? Oh, man. Let's get it. Absolutely. Let's get it. Sean, congratulations, Rob. Wish I would have started watching you last year. Hey, all that matters is that you're here now, brother. That's all that matters, right? What are your thoughts on VRA and stuff they released? I haven't gotten too deep into what they've released, but I am very, very bullish on Veracity, though. So yeah, I'm very, very bullish. Just bear with me here, guys. Just bear with me. Yeah, I hold a big bag of Veracity. Very bullish on their tech. Ad fraud protection. Absolutely love it. Between XCN and KASPA, don't know much. Don't know which. Well, I mean, you can't really go wrong on either one, to be honest with you. Both fantastic projects. So I would say just flip a coin or something and, you know, give her, brother. Fill that bag up. I'll be moving to, that's a planet. Is that Saturn? Pop-Tart Eater, congrats. You'll be at 20K by the end of July. Yeah, I hope so. Wouldn't that be crazy? Wouldn't that be crazy, eh? Let's get to 5K first. So, guys, yeah, if you're new here, help push us up. We're trying our best to get to 5K subs. So, yeah, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And as I always say, guys, if smashing the subscribe button is free, so, I mean, if you can help somebody for free, it doesn't cost you nothing. Why wouldn't you do it, right? Why wouldn't you do it? Bring some good karma your way. You and Max are the only two channels I watch consistently. We're all family now. Love the content and community. Thanks for all that you do. Thank you so much, man. I agree. You know, it's funny. I've become good friends. Like Max and I have become really, really good friends. Same with Jesse. Jesse's a good buddy of mine now. All of you guys, I mean, all of you guys. I wish I could just like name every single one of you, man. Like Kevin, you know, Boomer, you know, Richie Rich, just so many guys. WF Capital, Facts, Pop-Tart Eater, like so many. I could go Crypto Queen, like, you know, Crypto Goddess, like just so many guys. I wish I could name every single one of you guys. WF Capital, you know, Be Sincere, so many of you guys. I agree with you. All friends, man. Do Grayscale not realize that they're just giving us discounts? Bought some more Swift and JASMY today at legit bottoms. Nice. I don't know if you saw or not, Facts, but I said, I think it was the day before yesterday, I ended up, I nailed 1 million finally on Swift. So I'm moving on to the next project, brother. I got my goal, man. Now it's on to the next one. Love it, bro. You're killing it. Keep it up. Thank you, man. Thank you. My average is 2 cents, but I'm all in at 90K. Nice, man. You're gonna have some good life-changing wealth there, in my opinion, brother. You are going to have some fantastic life-changing wealth, man. All right. What else do we got? You are the GOAT. Thank you, Boomer. Thank you so much, man. But you know what, man? I'm not the GOAT, dude. Any man who can call a freaking 12-point exact to the number win in the NBA is the freaking GOAT, man. That's all I gotta say. The fact that you called that win to the point was crazy, man. That was some crazy shit. You're the GOAT, brother. Wow. All right. What do we got? Look at Hbar, guys. Look at that. Down 28%. Guys, here's the thing. The thing of the thing, okay? Yesterday, when Hbar was pumping like crazy, I made a little video for the Patreon, and I told everybody on the Patreon the situation with Hbar, and I said that was as high as it was going to go, like in the short term, right? With this news, that was as high as it was going to go. And I told the people on the Patreon that I was selling and taking profits. So I took about $6,000 profits from my Hbar, right? And I think that a few of the other people over on the Patreon did as well. And now Hbar is back down where it started. Now I'm going to put those profits back into Hbar and get a significantly more Hbar than what I was holding before, right? I called this 100% over on the Patreon yesterday. That's why I tell you guys, get in over on the Patreon, guys. You could have made this trade and made a lot of money and been able to fill your Hbar bag even more, or taken your profits from Hbar and reached your goal on JASMY or Swift or XCN or whatever, right? So yeah, got to get on the Patreon, guys, or upgrade your membership over on YouTube, and you get the Patreon content there. So definitely, guys, you got to do that. Link is in the chat for that. Maltasanti in the house. What's up, man? Max, what's up, brother? I heard that. Damn you, Tom Cruise driving home. Boomer, you caught that, eh? Yeah, Boomer freaking nailed it, brother. Nailed it. Are you driving right now, brother? Yeah, like a red light or something? Or are you home now? Because if you're home, I'm gonna harass you with an invite. You know that, right? Just so you know. I'm gonna make you get on here and trash talk Boomer. Maltasanti, I got some questions for you tonight. I'm cooking right now. Okay, cool. Cool, man. Cool. Give me like 15 minutes. You got it, brother. You got 15 minutes. Not 1 minute more. If you're later than 15 minutes, deuces, ooses. I'm just messing with you, man. It's like Crypto Queen. It's like Xmas with all the red. I hate red. Yeah. Christmas has green too, though, right? And I don't see no green going on over here. Man, it's a good day to DCA, though. I'll tell you that much. It is a good day to DCA. Gave a little bit of an update on Proppy in this morning's live stream as well. So very, very bullish there. Very, very bullish on Proppy, guys. Now that I've finally got my Max, I know you're listening while you're driving, brother. So I don't know if you heard, but heard me yesterday. I managed to get 1 million Swift coin, brother. I reached my goal, man. So now it's on to the next project, bro. I figured you'd be happy to hear that. I know you love Swift, man. Bumper to bumper traffic. Crypto Queen in the house. I used my time machine. Well, shit, man. Use it again and tell me which projects to start buying. Roughly how much ICP in terms of dollars should I own? I've got $30 worth. I can't tell you what to do with your money, man, but I mean, there's no wrong amount when it comes to ICP. It's a fantastic project, man. If you have $30 worth, I mean, how much is ICP right now? Where is it? Where is ICP? $13. So you've got like two and 3/4 of an ICP right now, right? For me, I would be personally, I would be dollar cost averaging. I mean, I think I hold something like 350 ICP or something, but I bought in very, very low. I was dollar cost averaging very low, right? So ICP is one of those projects that you should probably own a pretty decent sized bag if you're going to, I mean, you know, but it's going to do good. It's going to be a great project. I could see ICP crashing back through $100 in this bull run easily. So it depends on what you want for an ROI at the end of the day, right? Always a dip before a big pump. Yeah, it's always dumpiest before it's pumpiest. Absolutely. Absolutely. XLM in the house. Absolutely. Love XLM. I think every portfolio should have a little bit of XLM for sure, man. For sure. MetaWin, what's up? Hello, I'm always watching your YouTube. I'm from the Philippines. More power to your YouTube, bro. Thank you so much for watching from the Philippines, man. That is awesome. Welcome, welcome. Thanks for your comment. Thank you for always watching. I greatly appreciate your support. Stay red till Friday, payday. No kidding, eh, brother? No kidding. Oh, look at this super chat. Congrats, Rob. God bless you and your family. It's amazing that our lives will change at the end of this year. I have to remind myself, this is the last time I will be trucking. Yeah, man. I agree. Thank you so much for the support of the super chat, my brother, first of all. But second of all, I'd like to say, absolutely, man. As someone who used to live on the road as well, I can tell you that the feeling on every single trip of knowing that this is the last year you're going to have to do this, it makes the trip almost like you can reappreciate being out there, because you know that like this is it, man. And when you're done, right? And you can move on. So I guess it makes you just appreciate what you're doing in the moment and just kind of living it a little bit, right? So absolutely, man. I'm happy for you that you're going to be able to, retire from doing that after this year. And yeah, man, that's amazing. That's amazing. So appreciate, because I'll tell you right now, a couple of years from now, you're gonna look back and you're gonna go, man, you know, those times on the road, those were the good old days. You know, it was fun. I would love to do it just one more time. You'll probably think that down the road, right? So appreciate it now, because when you're done, bro, and life's gonna get good. Oh, nice, Max. Got me beat. Congratulations. Oh, thank you, brother. Thank you so much. Let me know when you get home, man, because I'm gonna send you an invite. Forta and Ondo never fails me. They always make money when everything dumps. Yeah, it seems like it with Ondo, right? Every time the market's down, Ondo freaking pumps, man. Let's check out Forta. How's Forta doing today? Yeah, it's up 10%. Yeah, Forta's going to do fantastic as well. Oh, it's not even on my watch list. What the hell? There we go. There we go. Where go back to it here now. Where did I put it? Where did I put it? I'll just type it in again. Screw it. Forta. All right, there we go. All right, so yeah, man, $128 million market cap. Yeah, absolutely, man, absolutely. This is another one I have not yet taken a position, but I really need to fast. Same with Ondo. Same with Ondo. Okay, traffic's clearing up. No more texting for me. Driving home. All right, brother. Drive safe. Let me know when you get home, man. End of the bull run 2025. JASMY $2 to $3. What's your thoughts? $2. I could see $2. Yeah, absolutely, man. Absolutely. I could see it. Make it happen, Captain. Let's get it done. All right. What else do we got going on, guys? Guys, if you're new, like I said, make sure you're smashing that subscribe button, guys. Got to get to 5,000. Got to get to 5,000 subs. Let's freaking go. Okay, let's get into some of the storyline tonight. First, let's check in with the Dixie. What's the Dixie doing? What is the Dixie doing? So the DXY is looking kind of bearish, guys. Very, very good. You love to see the bearishness in the Dixie. It's only the 15, but if we go to the hourly, looks pretty bearish as well. Yeah, we don't want to see a pump on this, guys. We need this to really, really crash. What's a 4 hour? Maybe see, looks like we might have a little Bart Simpson pattern going on here on the 4 hour. That would be nice. That would be nice. See a nice crash back down to around that around this level here. That would be fantastic. That would be fantastic. If this doesn't crash, guys, crypto's not going to pump. At the end of the day, we need it to crash. This always concerns me, though. This here, guys, and I've been showing you guys this consistently, right? I've been showing you guys this. Right? Look at this. This is not a good sign, guys. That's not a good sign. It looks like a bull flag to me on the daily for the Dixie. If that plays out, crypto's going to dump. But listen, guys, I did a video today talking about I completely laid out the bullish and bearish scenarios for the short term for what the crypto market might be doing next, right? I believe it's scheduled to release tomorrow. So definitely check that out, guys, because it's very realistic that we could see that. I've been talking about that pullback in 2017, a couple weeks after the halving. Bitcoin crashed about 38%, right? Now we've already crashed about 20% already. So we could see another 20, in my opinion, we could see another 20 to 25% pullback, maybe down to like $51,000 for Bitcoin in the short term, if we mirror what happened in 2017. Now, if we mirror what happened in 2017, it also V-shaped recovered very, very quickly. So you'll have to keep that in mind as well, right? And then it was nothing but up from that point on. So if we do end up seeing that final shakeout, wouldn't be the worst thing in the world, guys. One last one last opportunity to fill your bags, and away we go, right? So, all right, let's get to some of what we have here. Good old Neosun says they say JASMY's a scam. They say JASMY's going nowhere. They say JASMY doesn't exist. They say. I say, since the beginning, JASMY has been building itself up until now, just like Japan was built by brave and enlightened men. And these very individuals are reshaping history of the land of the rising sun. I agree. Guys, I did another video and I was talking a little bit about the potential of JASMY to become a household name, right? And my thoughts on this are very simple. It's JASMY, the team of JASMY, okay? Sato, Ando, right? These are the men who helped make Sony a household name, right? You think about stuff, you think about Panasonic, you think about Intel, you think about Acer, you think about Sony, PlayStation, whatever, right? You have all these household names. And a lot of people have a lot of these different brands in their homes or offshoots of the brands. Like they have a blender, or for example, or a microwave in their house that's made by a company owned by Panasonic or owned by Samsung or whatever. You get the point, right? And JASMY eventually is going to be a household name, in my opinion. People are going to have plenty of JASMY IoT tech in their homes, and they're not even going to realize it, right? It's just going to be there. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. That's kind of my thoughts on it. And if you don't like it, then you're wrong. You're wrong. I need a BitBoy low IQ buzzer so I can tell you you're stupid. I'm just messing with you guys. What do we got? Just in 230 billion harvest funds BTC ETF will begin trading on April 30th with a 0% fee, guys. 0%. Do you know how many people are what's the word I'm looking for? Hedge funds, whatever. Do you know how many people are going to start taking advantage of that out in Hong Kong? 0% fee. Yeah, they're going to want to get on board before that's got to be a temporary thing, right? So we could see a mass entry, what's the opposite of a mass exodus? A mass exodus? I don't know. We're just making freaking words up on this channel now, apparently. But we could see people storming into these ETFs en masse when they go active, and you're going to see this price start to appreciate probably 2 to 3 weeks into May, because they're launching these ETFs on April 30th, I believe, which is in 6 days, right? And then just like the United States ETFs for Bitcoin, it took about 2 to 3 weeks for us to start to see the price action of BTC kick in, right? So it'll probably play out very similarly in Bitcoin and Ethereum. And another thing that I talked about, guys, is that Ethereum does not have the outflows that Bitcoin has, right? So when they get the ETF passed, you're going to see only inflows on Ethereum. So Ethereum could really, really start to run, and that could affect ERC20 tokens, which JASMY is an ERC20 token. Keep that in mind, you guys, right? Keep it in mind. What else do we got? So Lark David says Hong Kong spot Bitcoin ETFs to start trading from April 30th. The rumor is if Hong Kong ETFs do well, they'll want to do the same for mainland China. The Chinese housing market and stock market have been wrecked. People will flock to beat a Bitcoin ETF once they're approved. Are you ready? That is the question. And the answer is no, you are not ready. You are not ready. Your face is going to melt off your skull. your bags are going to explode. Trading of Hong Kong spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs start April 30th. Recently, the SFC of Hong Kong announced its approval for several spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, which include the Bozora Hashkey Bitcoin ETF, Bozora Hashkey Ethereum ETF, China AMC Bitcoin ETF, China AMC Ethereum ETF, Harvest Bitcoin, Harvest. A spokesperson for Hashkey, in a conversation with Bloomberg, confirmed that these ETFs are scheduled to begin trading on April 30th. In a press release, China Asset Management, China AMC, also verified that the funds are expected to begin trading on Hong Kong Stock Exchange starting April 30th. Thomas Zhao, head of digital assets and head of the family office business of China AMC, stated that the firm anticipates strong demand for these cryptocurrency funds. Of course they do. The spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs offer retail and institutional investors a safe, efficient, and convenient means to invest in virtual assets in a regulated framework. The China AMC executive noted on Wednesday the in-kind feature also attracts coin holders by offering the ease of converting coins to fully regulated ETFs managed by professional fund managers and regulated custodians. He further added, with the growing adoption of ETFs in institutional asset allocation and retail trading in Hong Kong, we expect a robust demand for our offerings. The press release further notes that in line with the Hong Kong's goals of cultivate a dynamic Web3 environment, China AMC maintains that it is prepared to create innovative investment options and strategic distinctions to asset clients in reaching their investment objectives within this emerging asset class. Guys, I've been saying this for a year. I mean, literally a year. The channel is literally 1 year old today, right? And I've been banging on this drum the whole time that more money is going to be coming into this asset class from the East than people understand. Everyone is so hyper tunnel focused on the United States and these ETFs and Gary Gensler and all this stuff, Elizabeth Warren, how much money is going to come into crypto from the States. Everyone is underestimating Korea, Hong Kong, mainland China, Japan, right? Even like Germany, London, the UK, right? People are underestimating it very, very bigly, in my opinion. So, right. A little bit of pith love for you guys, right? Check this out. Listen up. Pith taking over, baby. Pith taking over. I've been telling you guys about Pith too for a long time. Long time. Hopefully you guys heard that. Did you guys hear that? Hopefully you guys heard that. Anyway. Anywho, what else do we got? What else do we got? Check it out. Standard Chartered forecasts Bitcoin to hit 150K by year end amidst market resilience. We've been seeing so many people calling for 140 to 150K Bitcoin by the end of this year. Guys, listen, I've been saying this for a while. If these projections come to fruition, right, which I believe are realistic, and I base this on what? I base it on the last two cycles, okay? In the last two cycles, this is not a pipe dream. This is just facts from the last two cycles, okay? 6 months after the halving, between the time of the day of the halving and 6 months later, right, Bitcoin has always doubled in price, always, right? So at the time of the halving, Bitcoin was what? $64,000, right? That's what it was the day of the halving. I'm pretty sure that Bitcoin was $64,000. So by October, then, going by past cycles, you should be looking at $128,000 Bitcoin by October. So is it that far of a stretch to say that between October and December, 3 months, a quarter of the year, that Bitcoin can't go from 128,000 to 150,000 before the end of the year? It's entirely possible. It's even easier to make it to 140,000, right? Because listen, guys, around October, November is when also the parabolic part of the bull run starts, right? So if Bitcoin is starting the parabolic part of the bull run at $128,000, then it is entirely possible that we could reach that $250,000 Bitcoin. Like Plan B is calling for a $300,000 Bitcoin by the end of the cycle. So that's why I say, guys, you are not bullish enough on what's coming. You're not. Let's talk about it, though. As geopolitical and economic uncertainties fluctuate, Standard Charter's latest analysis projects Bitcoin to soar to 150,000 K, with structural market changes and a new ETF launches fueling optimism. Geoffrey Kendrick, head of crypto research at Standard Charter, has reinforced a bullish outlook for Bitcoin despite recent market dips following a significant liquidation event that cleared $261 million in leveraged Bitcoin positions. Kendrick sees a cleaner market that could support robust price movements. The recent Bitcoin halving, which has cut the supply of new coins entering the market, is expected to further tighten supply and bolster prices. Last week's military actions between Iran and Israel led to a temporary dip in Bitcoin's price as traders reacted to immediate geopolitical risks. However, Bitcoin's quick recovery and resilience in the face of such new highlights its evolving role in global markets. Kendrick believes that easing tensions and the cleaned up market positioning could create ideal conditions for Bitcoin's price to ascend towards new highs. The anticipated rise in Bitcoin prices is also linked to the growth of Bitcoin's ETFs, which Kendrick notes are absorbing billions of dollars from the markets. These ETFs reduce the supply of Bitcoin available on exchanges, creating a supply-demand dynamic favorable to price increases. Despite the slowdown in new ETF inflows in the US, improvements in the global ETF landscape including those in the UK and Hong Kong, are seen as positive signs. While challenges remain, such as potential regulatory setbacks and high U.S. Treasury yields, an overall outlook for Bitcoin remains overwhelmingly positive, according to Standard Charter. Kendrick's confidence in Bitcoin's ability to reach unprecedented price levels and bolstered by improved market conditions and ongoing institutional adoption. As we approach the end of 2024, the combined effects of market cleanup, halving-related supply shock, and the ETF markets are expected to drive Bitcoin towards the 150,000 K mark. Kendrick's insights suggest that strategic re-engagement in Bitcoin investments, particularly as geopolitical and market conditions stabilize, paving the way for new highs in the cryptocurrency arena. Guys, if Bitcoin is 150K by the end of this year, okay? What do you think that's going to do to the altcoins? What do you think that's going to do to the price of stuff like JASMY, for example, right? Well, I'll tell you right now what that's going to do. They're going to go freaking crazy, right? You may very well be starting to dollar cost average your way out of the market by the end of this year if things go according to that schedule, right? You might be taking profits off the table before this year's over, guys, right? It's very, very possible. Is it guaranteed? Of course not. Nothing's guaranteed, especially in crypto, but it's possible, that you might be, right? It's realistically possible, I should say. Better than a 50% chance, in my opinion. So we'll have to stay on top of it and see how that plays out, right? It's a moving target, though, guys. It's a moving target every day, right? Every day we're hustling. So yeah, absolutely. We got quite a few people watching over on X. Because X, as Max would say, X gonna give it to you, right? So, all right. So let's get through a little bit more of these comments before we continue on. WF Capital, they're smart and they really think big things in the future. Yes, absolutely. Boomer, got a good feeling about CROB, CROB. What is CROB? CROB. Is this a meme coin? I got no market cap on CoinGecko, of course. Good old reliable CoinGecko, right? CROB. $28 million market cap. 80% of the supply in circulation. Oh, it's on Kronos. That's cool. That's good. Wow, it's new. Holy smokes. All-time high was 13 days ago. It's not even 2 weeks old yet. It's obviously on crypto.com. What do they do, though? What is it? Is it a meme coin? Claw your way to the top. Witness the rise of shellionaires in the place where I assume scam alert, scam. It's a scam. There you go. Oh man, there is no Discord. I assume that this is some sort of meme coin or something. Let me check their website out. Big Don Krob makes an offer that no crustacean can refuse. Pre-sale 40%. So they did have a pre-sale. Is this a meme coin? Because it doesn't really say what it does. I'm assuming it's a meme coin, but it's got a low market cap. So, I mean, it could be good, man. It could be good. Nacho flipped my coin. Flipped the coin. XCN. It is. Nice. Awesome. Good pick, man. Good pick. Rob the OG, congrats. 1 year down, more to go. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. So, guys, the channel wouldn't even be here if it wasn't for you guys, man. So I would have just given up a long time ago. So it's you guys that I have to thank for supporting the channel like you guys do, man. It's absolutely amazing. Brother, check Benki. It's moving like Jasmy. BENQI. Let me have a look. Is that liquid staking? Which one are we talking about here? QI or SAVAX? I'm going to go with QI. $82 million market cap. It's moving like Jasmy. Most of the supplies in circulation. It's on AVAX. That's interesting. It's got some good listings. What are they, though? What are they? Is this staking and lending? Yeah, it's another one of those staking and lending plays. Okay, yeah. I mean, it seems okay. Tokenomics are decent, so it seems pretty good. KK in the house. What's up, man? Good to see you. Medowin, any thoughts on Ronin? I love Ronin. I'm very bullish on Ronin. Web3 gaming, right? Web3 gaming in the house. Yes, I do love Ronin. I did a video on Ronin for the members. I called Ronin for the members about 4 months ago, I want to say, that this was going to be a decent project to get into. Absolutely bullish on Ronin. Yeah, smart contract platform, layer 1, GameFi, NFTs, play to earn. Yeah, very, very bullish. Very, very bullish. It's on Binance too. Binance, Katana, OKX, Coin. It's on Coinbase. It's got some good listings. BitTrue. Oh no, that's Binance again. MEXC. Yep, very bullish on it for sure. Multisanti, if we get that crash down to 55K, the alts will fall again. What do you think about putting a stop loss on some cryptos that are hovering around price targets? So if it does happen, you avoid a 30% loss. Multisanti, it's only a loss if you sell, brother. It's only a loss if you sell, right? What I would say the better strategy would be to just have dry powder on the side and dollar cost average in at those levels if it does crash. You start messing around with putting in sell orders and stuff on your long-term bags, and you're going to end up missing the flight, man. Trust me on that, bro. You don't want to be that guy. So I would just keep dry powder on the side if it was me, and just take advantage of those pullbacks. That's what I would do. Funky in the house, what's up, man? Mewtwo, Solana, what's up? Hello again from Mewtwo community. Love your consistency. Thank you so much. And I am fully supportive of the Mewtwo Solana community. Absolutely, man. I'm going to start doing a lot of looking into the project for you, because you're here all the time and you're supporting the channel. So I'm going to do you a solid, and I'm going to look into your project. I'm going to do a deep dive. Maybe I'll do a video on it. But absolutely, thank you for supporting the channel. Wes, what's up? I made it. Good to see you, man. Boomer, so who's looking forward to that 44.6% capital gains tax and 25% unrealized gains tax? Yeah, who's looking forward to moving to another country is what you should be saying, Boomer. Jeremiah, Binance holds so much of JASMY. What if they dump their position at a certain price and crash JASMY? Yeah, and what if, I don't know, man, like, I don't base my investments off what ifs, my friend. What I would say is that Binance owns a lot of JASMY, but you have to remember that a lot of that is actually, see, what happens is when an exchange holds a project, right? When you look at the wallet, it shows Binance wallet, right? But Binance is actually holding all that JASMY for thousands and thousands of people. So that's actually all the people who hold JASMY on Binance is all in that one wallet for Binance. You understand? So Binance can't just dump that whole thing because it's not theirs to dump, right? Does that make sense? So, yeah. Then I'll buy more. Absolutely, man. Not happening, Boomer. Isaac, what's up, buddy? Late to the chat. What's up, crypto fam? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Don't worry, man. Like I said, I will be shooting you a message over on the Discord. Don't worry. I haven't forgot about you, man. Not turning into a communist country. We can't. Canada's already 3/4 of the way there, man. Already 3/4 of the way there. No, we didn't hear. Oh, damn, you didn't hear it. Okay, well. Oh, well. What are you going to do? It was only like a 30-second thing. Congratulations, sir, for 1 year. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. I'm so happy to be at a year. Absolutely, man. That's amazing. And you guys have been fantastic with the support. You guys have been joining the Discord, joining the Patreon like crazy. Like, you guys have been joining the member side on the channel. Like, the support's been phenomenal, guys. It really has. And I can't thank you guys enough for that. So, absolutely amazing. What do we got? Dwayne, what do you think we may see? What do you think? We may see 209 on JASMY? I mean, if Bitcoin does crash down another 20%, 25% down to like 51K, then it's definitely possible, yeah. But it's not guaranteed, man. It's not guaranteed, right? That's why I always say be prepared for the worst, but expect the best, guys, right? Always. So, yeah. You know what I'm going to do here? Hang on a second. Just doing something real quick here. There we go. Got that done. All right, let's get back to the chat. ISO Jetpack in the house. What's up? Future, what's up? Happy anniversary. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. Thank you. Corn on the crab. Nice. Whoever was smart and swapped Hbar at 18 cents to XRP, then waited to the next day and bought back at 12 cents, a free $600. Gotta love it. Actually, I did. I took a lot of profits on Hbar at 18 cents, and then I told the people on I told everybody on the Patreon what I was doing. I told everybody like it was going to come back down. I took profits. I rolled those. I took those like $5,000, I think, 5 or 6 grand profits, and then I rolled those profits back into Hbar down at 11 cents. So if you were on the Patreon, you would have known what I was doing with that trade, and you could have taken advantage of it, right? So could have made some money, man. Could have made some money. Join the Patreon. I'm not sure if the miners ready to let the tickers run. They wait until ETFs from multiple countries start flow in. So $8 billion again flowed in from short leveraging. That's scamming. They're scamming. Yeah, I agree. But you know, they're gonna make their money, right? We have no power over them, unfortunately. Geez, how long does it take for Max to get home? Yeah, Max driving home. Scam. What's he driving? A bicycle? I can't believe the billions of dollars coming into Bitcoin and we're not getting anything. Yeah, I know, man. I know. It's crazy, but our time's coming. Our time is coming, man, for sure. Right? It's only a matter of time. Patience is key. We will get our turn, in my opinion, anyway. Guys, like I said, if you're new, make sure you're smashing that subscribe button. Smash it. What do we got? My girlfriend must know when you're live. She always has to call me. I'm gonna need that Rob father. Yo, talk to her. I could get her. Hey, act right. All right, just act right. Right. Oh man. What else do we got for news, guys? Let's have a look what we got going on here. What else do we got? We'll come back to the chat in a bit. Steph's Crypto says, expect the start of a big move in the price of JASMY somewhere in the coming days. The Bollinger Band range is right now extremely narrow, indicating that volatility is just around the corner. As you can see, guys, in the Bollinger Bands, very, very tight. Very, very tight. That's what she said. And yeah, I mean, I agree with them. Guys, a lot of people, this is the thing with JASMY, right? A lot of people right now are not really, you know, they're kind of, because things have been sideways and boring for like 2 months, people are kind of complacent. You're kind of complacent, right? I'm telling you right now, people keep asking me, hey, man, should I buy JASMY at 2 cents? Should I wait for a pullback? I'm with Steph is Crypto on this. We're going to see a breakout on JASMY to like 7 cents, and then it's going to pull back to around 5 cents, and it's going to consolidate between 4 and 5 cents, in my opinion, for a while, like we are doing now. And a lot of people are going to be pissy because they missed out. They didn't see it coming, right? And they're going to be like, man, I wish I could buy JASMY at 2 cents again, you know? So, like, breakout's going to come, guys. It's going to come. I hope that you're ready. I hope that you are ready. So yeah, guys, putting the I'm putting the link as well to the Patreon. Somebody asked me how they can join the Patreon. So I'm putting the link in the chat right now. If you want to join the Patreon, the link is there for you. Same thing with the member side on YouTube. The link is in the chat for that as well. So go ahead and take advantage of that. What else do we got? So yeah, I agree with Steph on this, guys. I agree 100%. It's coming. It's going to melt your face. So what do we got? ICYMI from Politico's Morning Money Coin. So Coinbase Chief Legal Officer Paul Graywall announced Coinbase has begun paying its vendors in crypto. Unlike litigation using USDC, is cheap and fast. No middlemen, no legalese, and no waiting. Very, very bullish, guys. Coinbase launches new ad campaign as well. Guys, we're going to start to see this too. This is another factor you have to take into consideration. These big exchanges are now going to start, you're going to start seeing commercials everywhere. We've already seen Kraken, I think, had one, and I think Coinbase is launching more, right? You're going to start to see crypto.com. You're going to start seeing commercials everywhere, guys, on social media, on TV. The ramping up of marketing and advertising for crypto is about to start. Just like we saw in the bull run of 2021. Christ, we had Super Bowl ads, guys. Crazy, right? Crazy. And we're going to start to see it again. And this is going to continue to add to the FOMO, right? So Coinbase, the largest U.S. crypto exchange, is set to launch a $15 million ad campaign today aimed at demonstrating how digital assets can eliminate payment fees. The firm is also set to announce today that it has begun paying its vendors in crypto. The announcement has come as part of the firm's effort to demonstrate to policymakers crypto's use cases, unlike litigation using USDC, is cheap and fast. No middlemen, no legalese, and no waiting. Coinbase Chief Legal Officer Paul Graywall told MM in a statement. You love to see it, guys. They're not just speaking about it, they're being about it, right? All right, what do we got? Check this out, guys. We got some more for you. Let's check out what Hester Pierce has to say. Let me know if you guys can hear this.
Yeah, I mean, I've been fairly clear with my own view that I think we're taking an enforcement first approach in an area where we should be taking a regulatory first approach. So I've argued that we can tackle different issues and we can provide clarity around those different issues. We can think about rulemakings or about guidance or about exemptive orders. We have broad exemptive authority and we should be using that. And that would be a way to do, when you talk about innovation, that would be a way to iterate on innovation using that exemptive order process, which is Congress gave to us precisely because Congress knew that things would change and we would need to make adjustments. And so that's what we could be doing. I fear that when we craft enforcement settlements with one party and then we use those settlements to try to set the standard for the rest of the industry, that leaves a lot of voices out of the room. That leaves not only other market participants out of the room, but users of the technology. And so I think it's not the right approach. And I'm hopeful that we will embark on a more proactive regulatory approach. And then, of course, there's a role for enforcement. We all know there's plenty of fraud in the space, but even once we have the rules in place, there's room for enforcement there as well. So it's a balance, but I think we've got the balance wrong right now.
Yeah, I agree. She needs to be the one leading the SEC moving forward, in my opinion, because she actually has a brain inside her head. So, you know, what else can I say? I mean, Gary's not, he's not the brightest in the world, man. He's, this guy, you know, the legacy he's leaving behind, is, you know, it's going to be embarrassing, right? So, you know, he's going to look back on this with shame. In my opinion, he's going to be a joke. He's going to be a joke in the history of the United States. It's going to be, you know, it's going to be funny. It's going to be look back. Remember that? What was that idiot, the bald guy, the ugly one that looked like Mr. Burns? Remember him? Remember that guy trying to stop crypto innovation in the States? What a moron that guy was. That's what it's going to be. That's how Gary Gensler is going to be remembered. So, Bitcoin poised for major growth. Analysts predict post-halving surge surpassing gold. Amidst Bitcoin's fourth halving, analysts forecast a promising rise in value, surpassing gold in scarcity and setting the stage for unprecedented growth in the cryptocurrency market. Following the recent halving, Bitcoin has seen a reduction in supply growth rate by 50%, significantly lowering its inflation rate below that of gold. Charles Edwards notes that the continuous debasement of traditional currencies and high inflation rates globally cement Bitcoin's status as the hardest store of value. Now more than ever, ever before. This shift not only enhances Bitcoin's appeal, but also solidifies its position as a superior asset for long-term investment. Market intelligence firm Glassnode confirms that Bitcoin now claims a lower steady state issuance rate than gold, marking a historic milestone. This development supports the argument that Bitcoin could outpace gold as the scarcest asset, further attracting investment interests in the cryptocurrency. While the optimism is high, the path to Bitcoin's price surge are varied. Edwards envisions a scenario where Bitcoin not only appreciates significantly, but also influences the dynamics of mining and transaction fees. These changes could introduce a new economic equilibrium within the crypto space, affecting both existing and prospective investors. Although historical data from previous halvings suggests robust price performance, Glassnode advises caution, noting that past trends may not perfectly predict future outcomes. The analysis points to a significant impact of the new market variables such as spot ETFs and changing global financial conditions, which could alter expected results. So, very, very bullish news, guys. It's going to outpace gold, like potentially. That is crazy, guys. That is crazy. And I absolutely love it. I love gold too, though. Don't get me wrong. Do not get me wrong. I love gold too. So I used to be a little gold bug and a silver bug. So I'm just not a bed bug, right? So yeah, very, very bullish on that. Got a little message there from Max. He can't make it. I sent him an invite, but he can't make it on because he's a little bit busy, still in traffic, trying to make his way home. So scam, right? Scam. We got scam. Max rugged us out of Max showing up on the channel tonight. We got rug pulled. I'm just messing with you. Let's get some more of the chat going. Maltasanti, I agree. I took profits from Cardano and Polygon at 100% and transferred over to Ondo at 84 cents. Just nervous if we do hit that 30% mark, but I can't trade on emotions. Exactly. If we get a pullback, just buy more, brother. That's what I do. That's what I do. XRP Paynet, XR Paynet will moon. I agree. Good project. Travis in the house. What's up, man? Hara sure knows how to keep a fellow waiting. Reaching 3 to 5 cents in an 8-month time span is ambitious. Yes, I agree. It's going to happen, though, man. It's going to happen. I get nauseous when I'm not pumping an excited Bitcoin and JASMY. I'm worried someone to cash into. Interesting. Yeah, Hara might be on the spectrum. Are you still doing sell alerts for the members? Yes, I am. Yes, I am, Bruno. I have not started selling anything yet. So I took profits, but I did put a sell alert for the members yesterday on what I took profits on, which was Hbar. So it should pop up in your notifications on YouTube because you're a member. So pew pew, imagine not buying JASMY under 2 pennies. Yeah, imagine that would be like that's like kissing your cousin or something. That's weird, man. Like that's some weird shit, you know. We have a good time, guys. We have a good time. It's a few of them and millions of us. If this shit continues, I'm going to get them audited. That's the spirit. When she moves, she moves. Going insane. Absolutely, man. Nah, man. You can't just skate past that joke. Come on. Can't just let it go, eh? Then Jasmy will go up to 10 cents, 18 cents, 25 cents. We'll never see 2 cents ever again. I agree. Listen, guys, people keep asking me, well, how far is Jasmy going to pull back in the next bear market? Well, it's going to pull back about 90% mathematically, right? So, I mean, if it goes to $1, what's 90% pullback is going to be about 10 cents, right? Is roughly where it's going to bottom out. You may never see 2 cents again on Jasmy when we break out of there. Crypto Queen's absolutely right. Absolutely right. So yeah. What else is going on? What else do we got? Yeah, guys, all the new people, make sure you're smashing that subscribe button. Stick around. We'd love to have you be here on a regular basis. Best place to get your alpha from, right? The latest and greatest. You don't want to miss it. Big things popping, little things stopping. Thomas, yeah, I mean, we were expected to hit 3 cents early on, and it pumped to 2.7 then dropped. I think it was a lot of manipulation. Well, a lot of that was because Grayscale kept dumping, right? Grayscale was dumping like $366 million worth of BTC like every day for like a month, right? That's what held us down. That's what changed the charts. So, you just kind of got to go with it, right? There's already crypto advertisements on Facebook, Google, and YouTube. Yeah, it's starting to ramp up, man. It is starting to ramp up. Maltasanti, also a fun fact, if BTC goes down to 50K, half the miners will be put out of business. Yes. I was reading that earlier today, actually, yeah. Maltasanti, they're taking advantage, taking all the profits from ETFs and leveraging. We should be at 85K by now. I agree, Crypto Queen. I was saying earlier today that if it wasn't for that, Bitcoin probably would have already passed 90K, in my opinion. 100%, I agree with that. Yeah, I agree. They're trying to shake out people from trading sideways so they can load more for their run. Absolutely. Deleted that sentence I wrote. You can see what was deleted. Yes, I can. You cannot hide from me. Craig, I didn't see any of the notifications today after I upgraded. I'm way late on the live. I wonder why. Oh, you upgraded today? Maybe yeah, maybe that's why. You should get them. Like starting like today and tomorrow. Now you should get them moving forward. Just wondering, Rob, because I didn't see the Hbar profit taking notification. Interesting. I put it out there because a lot of people got back to me on it, so I know that it got out there. Danny, morning from the UK. Good morning, Danny. Good morning. Good morning. Hbar's side shuffled all day. Yeah, Hbar is looking. Hbar is looking really, really red right now, down 30%, guys. So listen, I took a lot of profits on Hbar last night, and because I knew that this was going to happen. So now it's back down. So now what do? Now I take those profits and I put it back into Hbar, right? So, and now I have even more Hbar, right? So yeah, very, very good on that trade. Again, guys, I keep reiterating, if you want to know what I'm doing and stuff like that, guys, you got to be a member of the channel, or you got to be on the Patreon. You got to be one of the two, right? So yeah. Anyway, sorry, I kind of lost my thought there. So yeah, but that's the thing. Also, guys, if you're on the Patreon and the Patreon tier, there's 2 tiers now for the members on YouTube as well. So the Patreon tier, you'll get all the Patreon videos and stuff like that, right? As well. So just so that you guys know, if you're on the Patreon or you're on the second tier for YouTube for the members, I'm putting together my portfolio video, and I'm going to be putting that video out there for you guys. I'm going to show you guys what I hold. It's all going to be there. You can see it all. And yeah, so then, because I get asked all the time, how much of this do you hold? How much of that do you hold? So yeah. Philip, yeah, Rob, I joined maybe 2 days back. Yeah, I saw that. It's like day before yesterday, right? I said, but I don't see the updated stuff for the members, I think. You should. I'm gonna, you know what, Philip? I'm gonna put another video out tonight for the Patreon tier and for Patreon. So let me know if you see it or not, because you should absolutely be seeing it. So let me know, my friend. Just shoot me a DM or an email and let me know, man. Bruno, it was a recorded video, not text, unlike some of his buy alerts. Yes, it wasn't. That's just exactly, Shane. It wasn't like an alert, like just a typed out alert. It was actually a video. My alert for Hbar was actually a video. It wasn't just an alert. So maybe you kind of didn't watch it or something, or something like that. Maybe that's why. So yeah, that could be why. Upgraded so second tier YouTube to be clear. Yeah, I saw that, Philip. I'm with you, brother. I'm with you. I got you covered, man. Let me know for sure. I got another one coming out tonight. So let me know if you see it, and I'll make sure that you do, man. All right. Shane, thanks. I'm only holding 29K JASMY. Got a dollar cost average, man. Dollar cost average. If you're not happy with your bag, I would say dollar cost average your way up to get there. Because for me, people ask me all the time, you know, what size bag is a good size bag for JASMY? And for me, I say that 100,000 JASMY should be the minimum that anybody should really be aiming for, in my opinion. SPL, XLM. Yeah, we love XLM, man. We're very, very bullish on XLM. Upgraded yesterday. I'll keep an eye out. Yeah, Craig, let me know tonight. I'm going to have another Patreon level video coming out tonight. Actually, what I'll do, guys, is listen, my portfolio video should be coming out tomorrow. So keep an eye out for the notification for the members only, like the Patreon tier. Keep an eye out for that, because I'm very excited about that. Everyone's been asking me about to see my portfolio for a long time, and I'm going to show it to you guys. So look out for that tomorrow. If you're on the Patreon tier members on YouTube, or if you're in the Patreon, you're going to see that stuff, guys. So keep an eye out for it. If you want to see it, you got to join. Click the links in the chat for that, guys. Oilers looking strong. Nice. Yeah. Leafs scam. Right? Refs calling a penalty on the Leafs with a minute left in the game. Scam. Take on FET. Actually, I just did a FET video today in correlation to the ASI upgrade and one-to-one. So I will say this, Mr. B. Very, very bullish on FET for sure. I do hold FET. And what I would say is keep an eye out for my FET video. Should be out. I think it's out tomorrow. So keep an eye out for that. Very, very bullish on Fetch AI. Is XCN dropping well below 202 again? I hope so, because I really would love to get some more of it. I'd like to really fill up a bag. It's 20203 right now. So I'm just accumulating, man. Accumulate. That's my goal. Shane, good day to DCA FET. Absolutely, man. Fetch is down. What are we now? What is the price of FET AI? There it is. Down 8%. Yeah, $2.25. Very nice. Very, very nice. Absolutely love to see that. What else do we got going on here? What's going on? Do we have some more news to go through? We do. We do. Check this out. So we got, is Bitcoin getting ready for an explosive breakout? These analysts believe so. The fluctuations in Bitcoin's price have marked a tempo for the crypto market and the community sentiment. While some feel pessimistic about the rally slowdown, some analysts believe that the flagship cryptocurrency is just getting ready to breach higher notes. Crypto analyst and trader Rect Capital considers Bitcoin is currently awaiting a period of consolidation in an X post. The trader highlighted that during the previous halving, BTC saw a reaccumulation range. The analyst shared his chart for Bitcoin phases during the halving, which he has previously used to explain BTC was at the last pre-halving retrace before April 19th. At the time, the analyst pointed out that the reaccumulation phase was next. Bitcoin went through one during the previous halving, as seen in the chart, right down here. Right, boom, accumulation phase, right here, reaccumulation. Right. The reaccumulation consisted of two consolidation periods, followed by a post-halving parabolic upside, which saw BTC reach last cycle's all-time high of 69,000. Rect Capital highlighted that during this cycle, the flagship cryptocurrency had already experienced a reaccumulation range similarly to the last cycle. The latest reaccumulation phase seems to have started during the pre-halving rally phases. Per the analyst, this will be followed by a parabolic upside if history repeats itself. Analyst Mickey Bull seems to share a similar view to Rect Capital's, as he highlights that Bitcoin's parabolic rally is loading. The reaccumulation breakout is set to be explosive, and not many are prepared for this, he added. The analyst explained that the RSI on the macro scale is at the same level it was in 2017, which was followed by a huge rally to cycle top. Based on this, he believes the current consolidation comes from institutions preparing for a huge rally to crypto to cycle top. Day before Bitcoin's halving, the cryptocurrencies faced a correction that shredded 7% of its price in a few hours. BTC went from hovering between 64K to 63K price range and trading below 60K support zone. Since then, the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization appears to be steadily recovering from the drop. Over the weekend, Bitcoin regained the 65K support level before testing the 66K one, which it reclaimed on Monday. Over the past few days, BTC has hovered between 66 and 67K. However, it has not been able to successfully test the resistance level at 67K price range. According to the crypto analyst Blunt's, Bitcoin's most recent performance suggests that the price will continue to move sideways between 66 and 67K range. However, he also considered the BTC gagging for a breakout soon. As the chart displays a bullish pennant pattern forming per the analyst. Once we clear 67, the whole market will fly to the latest all-time high. So what he's looking at here is, here we are, guys. Over here, the first time, bang, bang, and then boom, we got the spring, and then boom. Look how high we ran up, right? So that's what he's talking about here, guys. Very, very bullish. I'm wondering if we're going to see a combination of the 2017 and the 2021 bull run kind of combined in this bull run, guys. I've been thinking about this. I'm pretty sure I put out a Patreon video about it yesterday or the day before. And that we could see that 38% pullback, but I think it'll be less, probably 20 to 25. But listen, everyone's calling for a top. Half the people are calling for a top in the market around December, right? But then there's other people who are calling for the top sometime next year. Interestingly enough, guys, over here, if we look at the 2021 bull market, right, the parabolic part, look what happened. Look what happened here, guys. We had a double top, blow off top in the last bull run, right? Everybody thought this was the top. Boom, we came back down, and then bang, we double topped. So we had a double top bull run last time. Are we seeing something similar this time? Are we going to see a top in December, a pullback, and then a second top in like Q2 of next year? That's entirely possible that might happen, guys, right? So it happened last time. So keep your eyes on the prize, man. Keep your eyes on the prize. Very, very interesting stuff. Philip, okay, worked it out, Rob. I see I clicked your channel, then have to click the members to see the stuff at our level. All good, brother. All good, man. Sir, what's your price prediction for XLM for this bull run? About $1.25. Congrats on 1 year, Rob. Thank you, Oscar. Thank you so much, man. Shadow Lord, happy 1 year anniversary. Thank you, guys. You guys are awesome, man. It only takes one YouTuber to say we're going to pump, then they all join. They look like fools. Rob, what do you think SEI could see this bull run? Somewhere I could see it around that $10 mark for SEI, maybe a little bit higher even, right? It's institutional backed, or it's VC backed, I mean, so it's going to be, right? That's going to be like a Solana type project, in my opinion. Nikek, what's up, man? Good to see you. All last week, up until this morning, they said Bitcoin was getting ready to pump. Bitcoin dumped. I'm glad I learned how to read charts. Yep. Well, they never take like Grayscale's dumping into consideration or anything like that, or the DXY pumping, right? They don't look at that stuff. You got the dollar pumping. You've got Grayscale dumping like 360 million a day, and then you got people saying Bitcoin's getting ready to pump. It's like, what? Like, are you completely oblivious to what's going on, or, you know? River, what's up, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. I don't see your video on Discord either. I don't put the Patreon videos on the Discord. That's for members only. The videos are for Patreon members and members of the channel only. So I can't put them over on Discord, because the Discord's just like everybody, right? Craig, check out what Philip said over here. He said, if you click on my channel and then you click on the membership, you see the stuff at your level, at your tier level, right? So that's how you can go see those videos. George was one of them. Yeah. I am George. We're all George. Top in March, just in time for taxes. Yes. Congrats, man. Thank you, River. Thank you so much. Funky just took 1K from my BTC and put it into Hbar. Wish me luck. Nice. Not a bad entry. Not a bad top up point for Hbar, man. Not bad at all, my brother. What else do we got going on, guys? Hey, tired tonight. It's good. Right. So yes. What do we got? Oh yeah, we're gonna look at this now. We're gonna look at this now. Nope, that ain't it. That's it. There we go. Oldest Bitcoin whales moving coins. Will this help push BTC above 74K? While Bitcoin struggles to extend gains, on-chain data shared by Kai-Young Zhu, the founder of CryptoQuant on X, shows increased movement of old coins. As the Bitcoin average dormancy chart shows, this trend recently hit a 13-year high. While there was movement, interestingly, data showed that they were not transferred to exchanges. Instead, it is highly likely that they were traded over the counter, OTC. Usually, any transfer of to centralized exchanges like Binance or Coinbase could suggest that the intention of selling. The more coins hit these exchanges, especially from whales, the higher the chances the price dumping. However, the If trades are made via OTC, the impact on spot rates is negligible, which is a positive for bulls. For analysis of these transfers using the spent output profit ratio indicator suggests that whales moving them made decent profits. Historically, whenever whales dump and register profits, price tends to dip. However, in a post on X, one analyst says price will likely increase because the impact on spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds. These derivatives are like a buffer against price drops, considering the pace of inflows in the past weeks. Spot ETFs allow institutions to gain regulated exposure to BTC, coupled with decreasing outflows from GBTC. The odds of price rising remain elevated. According to Look On Chain data, GBTC unloaded 750 BTC on April 23rd. However, Fidelity and the other 8 spot ETFs bought 1,513 BTC. On behalf of their clients, spot Bitcoin ETFs issuers sell shares representing BTC holdings. These coins can be purchased from secondary markets like Binance via OTC platforms or directly from miners. So whales moving around, but they're selling OTC. Does this mean that the whales maybe are starting to sell OTC to BlackRock and stuff like that? Interesting. Doesn't affect the price in a negative way, but very, very interesting, guys. Something to keep an eye on, right? Something to keep an eye on. Wow, Hbar. Just a full retracement on Hbar, eh? I said it, guys. I told you guys last night, right? I said it. Got to join the Patreon, guys. Got to join the member side. What is everyone's preference on wallets? I personally use Ledger. I prefer Ledger personally. Utility will run this cycle. Yeah, utility is going to run more and more as we move forward, right? Absolutely. My portfolio is getting to the point where I don't feel comfortable keeping it on exchanges. Yeah, me personally, like I said, I prefer to use Ledger. I have a Ledger, but you need a magnifying glass to utilize it. I just got a decent wallet, but haven't set it up yet. Nice. Yeah, I don't know. I don't have any problems with my Ledger. Seems okay. It seems okay to me. But I'm old and set in my ways, right? So I'm old and set in my ways. So that's basically the news, guys. That's the news that I got for you tonight. Not much else really going on. Shane, thanks, guys. You have poor eyesight. Hello. Believe me, man. Even with my glasses, I can't see nothing. Why do you think I'm always squinting at the screen when I'm reading? Can't see nothing. So, Tangent's a good wallet for sure. I hear great things about it. I think Fax uses a Tangent, and he tells me that it's fantastic. So, great info, Rob. Yes, no problem, guys. Listen, I'm really excited about revealing my portfolio to the members and the Patreon members. So I'm really excited about that video, guys. Probably have it out tomorrow, but I've been working on it. So keep an eye out for it, guys. I know a lot of you guys are waiting for it. You've been asking for it for a long time, so I'm going to show you guys. So yeah, if you want to be a part of that, guys, click the join button, click the link in the chat to become a member or become a Patreon member, one of the two. Absolutely, guys, and it supports the channel. It's fantastic. This is the 1-year anniversary of the channel, guys. So if you want to support the channel, definitely do that, right? Jump on board. It'd be absolutely awesome. And yeah, I don't know, man. That's the news tonight, guys. So have yourselves an absolutely wonderful night. Oh, what do we got here? Crypto Queen says, I love my Lattice Grid Plus. I connect with my bank and a bunch of exchanges. It's the safest cold and hot wallet. Nice. I'm going to have to look into that. That's interesting. That is interesting. So yeah, All right, guys, I'm gonna go get some food. I'm gonna watch a movie. I'm gonna chill. So have a fantastic rest of your night, guys. Thank you again for supporting the channel, guys, for this 1 year that we've been live. It's been absolutely amazing, guys. This has truly become a big part of my life. I spent so much of my day with you guys and doing videos for you guys and stuff. And I truly enjoy it. I'm hoping, guys, that I can make this full time within this year coming up, that this can be my full-time thing. I can hang with you guys more. I can do more content and stuff like that. So if you would do me a favor again, guys, if you're watching, make sure you're hitting the subscribe button, guys. Listen, it's absolutely free to hit the subscribe button. And you know what? I mean, if you can help somebody and it doesn't cost you a dime, I mean, why not do it, right, guys? Bring some good karma into your life. Help somebody out. Click the subscribe button. It would be greatly appreciated if you would do that. Help us push up to 5K subs. Yeah, happy YouTube Day. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. So yeah, have yourselves a great night, guys. Thank you so much for everything for this whole year. And here's to another year moving forward, guys. Let's get it. In this year, we make our money. So was this funky? Make it full time. 90-minute streams going now. 10 plus streams a day. It's like your life is part time here. Yeah, it is, man. It is. But I enjoy it. I really do. I have a passion for it, right? So I love what I do. So hopefully it can be full time. All right, guys. Have a fantastic night. Thanks for everything. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for the live stream.